Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomes.com. Today we are in a penthouse facing the golf course. And let me just turn around and show you the views and the position of this great 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado, the Alhama Golf Resort. First line golf, ground floor apartment, adjacent to the golf course, Jack Nicklaus Signature golf course, by the way. And here we see this ground floor apartment with its garden and lawn. I'm just entering now the terrace. Hi, Darren. Here we go. I'm just showing you now the main terrace of this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama. We've set up here a nice afternoon tea table. And just let me show you again this fantastic position here. It's actually 21 degrees. It's 5 o'clock here in Spain. It was quite a nice day, a little bit cloudy in the morning, but the clouds have disappeared and now we enjoy the sunshine. And I'm just showing you today on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment presented to you by qualityhomes.com. I'm just standing here on the main terrace and showing you the dining area we have prepared. In case you have any question or doubt, please don't hesitate and just drop us a line at the bottom of the screen and we will try to answer your questions during the viewing. By the way, what we have set up here and what you see here is one of the most famous liquors you will find in our area. It's called Licor 43 or Licor 43, as the Spanish say. It's the most important ingredient for a very special coffee which was invented in Cartagena, exactly in La Alhama. It's called Café Asiático, and one of the main parts is Licor 43, or in Spanish, Licor 43. In case you come across this once in a bar or wherever you go for your drink, give it a try. Okay, enough marketing for alcohol. We come back to our 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort on penthouse development. We have first line golf, ground floor, and have a small lawn bit garden area, and the terrace, which as we can see is housing a dining table as well as the outside lounge we have prepared here. Just let me walk now through the terrace door, there we go, into the main lounge. The property, by the way, is also equipped with mosquito netting. It's not that we have a lot of mosquitoes here, but sometimes the flies can be quite awkward, so it's a very good thing to have it. Just entering the living room here. What we see today is more or less a brand new apartment. It has been furnished some 2 years ago and has never been used. They have been here maybe twice for a short stay, but now due to personal circumstances the property has to go, so that's the reason why we are here. We are offering it for 79,900 euros, and you find all details of this property and of many others on our dedicated webpage qualityhomes.com. Just walking through the living room, here we see the dining area for inside dining. Just giving you a glimpse how this looks like. Imagine sitting here with the views on the golf course. I think it's an amazing property. And as I said, all we see is brand new, about 2 years old, including air conditioning in the living room, as well as all mod-cons like television. The furniture is quite tastefully chosen, and we think the property is really well equipped for a holiday home as well as for a residence. Just let me show you quickly the kitchen here, which is as well fitted with washing machine. There we go, fridge, freezer, microwave, oven, cooker, extractor fan, and all other items necessary for a comfortable stay on Condado de Alhama. As well, it's fitted with all cutlery, crockery, you name it, we have it. So the kitchen as well is ready to move. Just making a turn around here to give you an idea of the size of the kitchen. There we go. The property, you will find the property on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomes.com, under the number 3389, and the asking price is 79,900 euros, including all fixtures, fittings, furnishing, as you see in our video today. We are now entering the second bedroom, as well conveniently fitted with 2 single beds, obviously bedside table lights, and as well both bedrooms enjoy fitted wardrobes. Here we go, I'll just show you quickly the fitted wardrobe here. And you might ask, well, what's inside the fitted wardrobe? There we go, let me show this to you. Here we go with a set of drawer, a rail and more storage shelf on the top. Very good. Welcome, Barry, to the show. So we continue. As we said, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And we're just entering the bathroom, where you get a glimpse again of the agent. Hi. Here we go with the bathtub, shower screen, conveniently fitted. So I think it's really ready. Now we're entering maybe one of the most important parts of this property is the master bedroom, which is as well furnished as we see, and as well equipped with television. There we go. And again has direct access to the terrace where we just walked in. Just let me walk through. We're coming out on the terrace again, and just see these views up there. This is just breathtaking. Here we go. So here we go with one of the neighbors. I think he's now looking for maybe a golf ball or something. That's what. Going on a driving range. Okay. Actually, the golf course is not open as there have not been enough players over the last weeks. So the company running the golf course has decided to pause their operation until there will be more players again on site. Actually, we are under kind of a perimeter lockdown, so we cannot leave our municipality and we have to stay within the boundaries, in this case of Alhama de Murcia, which makes it very difficult for the golf course to attract people from outside the municipality. The property is listed on our webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com under the reference 3389. And the asking price is only €79,900. As well, the property is equipped with awnings, which is covering big part of the terrace. Here we see it's a 2-part awning and covers on the one side what we have put here as a dining area, as well as the chill-out area on this side. It's quite handy, especially in summer, in the high season. It can be pretty warm here, and as we are southwest facing, it might be sometimes useful to have a little bit of cover on the terrace for shade. The views, as I said, is just to die for, I would say. Beautiful. First line golf, so for the king golfer, or just for people who want to watch other people playing golf, an ideal location. We are entering again the living room of this 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are actually in the penthouse development, which consists of 16 apartment blocks. We are in block number 5. Excuse me. Quite a quiet area, so ideal to spend a holiday or even as a residence. The second bedroom, which we see here, can easily be turned into a home office. By the way, home office, the resort has improved its internet connection during the summer, and we are now enjoying a glass fiber network, which allows a Wi-Fi connection for each property individually with 100 megabyte up and download, which means that also all activities regarding home office, working from home, are ideally covered by the infrastructure which is already in place. The glass fiber network is working perfectly, I have to say. We enjoy it as well in our offices here on Condado de Alhama, because Quality Homes Costa Calida is the only agent on site which is fully registered with the Chamber of Estate Agents in Murcia, and therefore we enjoy here a fantastic infrastructure now regarding internet. And we're just standing here in the master bedroom. Isn't the light beautiful today? As you can see, sometimes it's real fun to be an estate agent here on Condado de Alhama, because we can enjoy this all year round. But having said that, you could do the same. Just come over, buy a property, happy days, and you can enjoy it as well. Thanks, Roger, for your comments. Always appreciated. I hope you're doing well. This is now the clubhouse, what we are seeing of the Jack Nicklaus Signature course on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And that's a normal setup. You will say, well, is there a pool? Yes, there is a pool. The pool is about, I would say, 50 meters away. Just walking up here the path, you will see at the end of the block number 5, there is a big pool with a children's play area as well. Happy days. So it's only walking distance. Yes, maybe Anna, you can go there and show it, because I can't go there because our internet connection is not strong enough. Happy days, yes please. So let's count the steps.
From the garden. Okie doke. So,
Paul, the property is on the market for 79,900. Obviously, sensible offers welcome, no doubt about. So I'm just sending out Anna to see how many steps it's from your apartment to the pool area. Here we go again with the view on the terrace. Unfortunately, I can't move to the pool personally because the internet connection is not reaching there. We need to switch to 4G, but we don't know if this is really working then quality-wise. So hopefully the 5G network will be here soon, so we can transmit live as well external areas, which we can't do at the moment. And here comes Anna back with the step count now. Let's see. So from here to the pool gate, it's 77 steps. So this means about 65 meters. Well, I think that's pretty okay, because we have to take into account as well that being very close to the pool might also be a nuisance sometimes, because there might be people in the pool, or maybe too many people in the pool. So I think it's quite a good position regarding the pool. There we go. So let me show again this beautiful 2-bed 1-bathroom property. As we said already before, al fresco dining area outside here just set up, can be covered with an awning, which is here already installed. The property is equipped in all windows with fly screens. As I said before, we don't have a lot of flies or mosquitoes, but sometimes they can be annoying during certain time of the year. So I think it's a good idea to have it. Walking into the living room, as we said, what's included is what we see on our little video today. So the property has been refurnished 2 years ago, but the owners have hardly come to Spain. They have been here twice, so it's really classifiable as new. Comes with air conditioning living room, ceiling fans in the bedroom, and all furniture fittings is what we see, is what we get. Just another view on the living room from the entrance side. Again, let me show you the kitchen with fridge, freezer, washing machine, oven, hob, extractor fan, microwave, kettle, toaster, fully equipped. You name it, we have it. It's all here and ready to move in. As we can see as well, there's all kind of cutlery here. So this is really perfectly equipped. By the way, the entrance, I was just talking about the entrance, so let me show you the entrance. By the way, high security doors, just in case somebody asks about. And we're just walking out now, where we can see the car park. Ground floor and top floor apartments are parking under the roof here, as we can see. And first and second floor are parking under the Spanish sun, which means that this apartment, as it's a ground floor apartment, as well enjoys a car park under the roof, which means it's covered against the heat, dust, and sometimes rain. We have maybe 5 or 6 times rain this year, not yet, but it will hopefully come soon. Just entering the property again through the main door. You will find this property and many other on our dedicated webpage 3389 on qualityhomescostacalida.com. The asking price is only €79,900 and includes everything we see on our video, including the air conditioning, including the television, and all other parts which you have seen in our little video. There we go. showing you again the second bedroom, which can be easily transformed into a home office. As we said already, 100 megabit up and download line for each property. Second bedroom scene, we come to the bathroom, also fitted with bathtub and with shower screen. As always, we can't avoid to see the agent as there is a mirror in the bathroom. I hope that's okay for you. Entering the master bedroom, here we go. All fitted and furnished as we see. Both bedrooms are equipped with fitted wardrobes, living room with air condition, and bedroom with ceiling fan. There we go. As well, from the master bedroom, we have direct access to the main terrace. And the main terrace then goes over to the golf course, which is a Jack Nicklaus Signature course. Actually closed for the time being, but as soon as the travel restrictions are done and people can move freely again, we are sure that the golf course will open. So, Anna, some people are using the driving range. There we go. You're live now. Everybody knows what you're doing. Okay. So, Anna, next week I understand that we go to the island.
Next week we will be on the island, yes.
You will see brand new apartments.
A brand new bank release, yes.
Brand new bank release, exactly. It's not
we have been advertising over the last couple of days. We have a series of properties over there.
Yes, but I have to say as well that we have already a good quantity of pre-reservations. So get yourself ready for next week Thursday, because we might come up with some Black Thursday offers. No? looks and sounds like Black Thursday offers.
Indeed, like every year, yeah.
Exactly, like every year. Also this year, Quality Homes has some special Black Thursday offers. Let's see if we can convince you maybe to take one of these unique opportunities. So, but having said that, this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for $79,900 is representing a fantastic value, and we really think that this should fly off the shelf pretty soon. I've hardly never seen an apartment that well equipped, all brand new and in very good shape, so looking forward to your offers. In the meantime, I would like to thank you for your attention and for staying with us today at our virtual open house presented to you by Quality Homes Costa Calida, and I'm looking forward to see you next week again on our special edition for the Black Thursday. And stay safe, stay tuned, take care, bye.